It's good to be back after 10 years, to hear familiar voices, to see faces I once thought I'd never see again. The air feels lighter, warmer, like home was waiting for me all along.
Looking for a venue, you would like to paint a place.
I can recommend one.
Let me introduce you to him. I would like you to meet me.
Nice to meet you. I'm Stan.
Hello, I'm Paul.
Science of painting.
That's right.
I know a place that you can paint on. Just give your phone number to yours and I'll send you the address.
Okay.
Why does it feel so familiar?
Miss!
Miss Fabrica, you're late again. Get aside now.
Good morning, sir. I'm sorry I'm late. Pamit niya, guys. Just my class.
Sir, sorry I'm late.
You must be the new student. Come inside. Hello class, this is our new treasury. Please.
My name is Simon Lupetas.
Is that the guy you're talking about? Oh my god, yes, it's him.
Miss, are you the girl that I found earlier?
Yes.
Is this yours?
Oh my god, yes. Thank you.
Miss Fabric, can you please tour Mr. Simon around the school?
Yes, no problem, sir.
Talk about ourselves. Hi, I'm Simon.
Hi, Pauline.
I'm 16 years old.
Pauline and Simon fell in love with each other and became a couple, proving that some hearts are simply meant to find their way together.
Naniniwala na ako sa forever, magmula nung nakilala kita.
Eh kaya nga di ako sumurrender, ano man ang sinasabi nila.
Pagkat sa'yo natagpuan ang pinagkait sa akin.
At sa'yo naramdaman ang di ko akalaing ipaglalaban ko.
Na 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 na. Wala na kung pake, basta bahala na. Na 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 na.
Alam ko lang kasi minamahal kita.
Kahit pa sabihin na
Sa hindi ka
itinadhana. Na 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 na. Mahal kita kasi kaya bahala na. Ikaw yung bida na prinsesa ng drama.
Ikaw yung action star na leading man.
Parang pelikula pag tayo nagsama. Ang umextra di pagbibigyan. Pagkat sa'yo natagpuan ang mong pinagkait sa akin.
Oo, at sa'yo naramdaman ang di ko akalaing ipaglalaban ko.
Na 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 na. Wala na kung pake, basta bahala na. Na 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 na.
Alam ko lang kasi minamahal kita.
Kahit pa sabihin na
Sa akin di ka
itinadhana. Na 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 na. Mahal kita kasi kaya bahala na. Bahala na. Kahit di pa tayo ganun kasigurado, isusugal ang ating puso.
kahit may tumutol, di na mapuputol ang pag-ibig ko
Pagkat
sa'yo.
sa'yo natagpuan ang ipinagkait sa atin.
At sa'yo naramdaman ang di ko akalain ipaglalaban ko. Yeah!
Na 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 na. Wala na kung pake, basta bahala na. Na 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 na.
Alam ko lang kasi minamahal kita.
Kahit pa sabihin na
But the universe has other plans for them.
Hey, I'm tired. Let's take a break.
Di ko alam saan ba patungo ang ating daan. Kung
Simon, please, let me explain.
tagpuan
To see a night to realize it's true. You don't have to. I know everything.
You knew?
Your family didn't want it. They made you choose. Me or your future? You chose your future. And that's the right choice.
I was scared. I thought if I let you go, you'd move on and be happy. But I was wrong.
ang tinadhana.
Because I want to try again. If there's a small chance, I can start over.
Think you can just pick up where we left off?
No, but we can start from here, from now.
Then let's see where this takes us.
Love is sweeter the second time near, for true love never disappears. It waits in time to be reborn, a bond unbroken, never torn. So choose your future, let love grow, for fate will lead the hearts that know.